Greetings all. Behold, this is the USS Fairborne is what I'm calling her. She is like a 23rd century NX-01 refit. I like the NX-01. I like the motion picture Constitution class. For that matter, I like the original series Constitution class. Grew up on it. I was raised on the Connie. Anyway, so I thought I would do a 23rd century treatment of the refit of the NX-01, which I'm fond of. If you've seen my Sato design, I went ahead and took her secondary hull that's very Constitution-esque. And I did some detailing and stuff. There's little thingies going on in there. Little happy little things. Secondary hull is connected without pylons, but with a very ample, reinforced, thick neck, which I think is important. Who doesn't like a thick neck? I have no idea what that sounded like. Um, yeah, the motion picture Connie nacelles with a little bit of toinking around of them, and pylons and impulse engines from the NX-01, obviously. I also connected this section here to the saucer section. As you can see, it's one piece. Just kind of having fun, doing stuff. Escape pods. So yeah, what do you think of her? Do you think the lines work? I think they're kind of okay. Pew pew. All stop, all stop. Ahead warp factor 1. Pew. I don't know. Well, what am I doing? Okay, yeah, the Fairborne. See you later. Bye.